Can you hear those waves? The sound of the waves. It's merely 100 meters from now, and we will be going up there. There. Now, I'll be doing meditation up there since the weather is really beautiful. It's not freezing, but it's mildly cold, and I'm feeling very fresh because I've done 10 minutes of exercise and 5 minutes of yoga. I don't know if you can notice, but I am quite energized. So let's go up there. I don't know, this may sound funny, but if you do 10 minutes of exercise and then you go visit the loo, oh my god, the pressure is beautiful. Everything is flushed out. I'm not doing this for the fun or just to create a comedy or anything. It's just that I want to promote health and stuff, which I was never into health, or I never took exercise or meditation or mental health seriously, but now I do because I can see the results myself. And if you are someone who is doing exercise on a regular basis, you know what I'm talking about. Check those hotels. Let me just zoom it for you. How cool that would be, staying up there. First let us go here and then we'll go up there. Oof, I'm enjoying. The only downside to the solo trip is that you have to do everything by yourself. Beautiful, super beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest. I don't know if that's a word or I just made that up. Doesn't matter. I'm enjoying this. Now we'll go to that next connecting hill. I'm finding it a bit difficult trekking with sandals. I've been running, jumping and doing lot kind of stuff, and then when I was tired, I did about 5 minutes of meditation, just taking deep breaths in, deep breaths out, just being aware of this place, listening to this scenic sound, the nature, the birds, the sounds of the waves. It's really beautiful. The amount of halka I'm feeling, halka as in very lightweight. All of my worries are gone, all of my pressure, the heavy feeling or the heavy weightness, the emotional pressure, stress, it's all, sorry, that's wet, it's all vanished, disappeared, just like Thanos' snap. I started with 60 seconds to be honest, because I was suffering from ADHD when I was a child, so I cannot sit at one place, I cannot keep calm. Either my physical body needs to keep working or my mind keeps wandering off. I always find very hard to focus, concentrate. So meditation was not for me, was not cup of my tea. But my therapist suggested me. She gave me some tips. We did quite guided meditation. She was guiding me through the sessions, and slowly I developed interest in this meditation thing, and I started with 60 seconds. Trust me, I used to put the timer on, and I started with 60 seconds. Once the timer goes off, I'm done. That's how I started for nearly 10-15 days, and I gradually increased 30 seconds, and then I reached to 15 minutes now. I can do 15 minutes. When you come to the places like this, you just want to sit there, thank to the God, to universe for creating such a wonderful place, for giving you an opportunity to be here, enjoy the moment. Yesterday I thought I will wash some clothes, but then I was so busy doing social media things and posting of stuffs, and it got late and I was feeling very sleepy, so I just chalta hai. So I have to wash my clothes as well. So today I have to wash, otherwise I'll have to wear them again, which is no big deal, to be honest. For boys, if you must know, it's not a big deal to wear same shirt, same sweaty shirt, sweaty pant. Chalta hai, it's okay. And I, for one, I take shower, do bathing, take anghol twice a day, so it's okay if I wear a sweaty shirt.